Hey friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda, and in today's video we are going to be doing some Christmas decorating. Yep, the kids will be here Monday and it is full on Christmas decor over here. But before we get into that, I wanted to share with y'all something from one of our sponsors. This portion of the video is being sponsored by WINDONE. Now, friends of the twins, you all know that Shuggy and I are now empty nesters, as well as Shonda and Boo Daddy. And so, you see us decorating and y'all see us out on date night. We really do enjoy those times when we can just get together and have fun. And so I was so excited when WINDONE reached out to me, and they have sent me the S14 folding city commuter e-bike. And as you can see, it comes with all of the tools that you will need to put it together. And friends of the twins, I love that. I love when you receive items and it comes with the exact tools that you'll need to put it together. There's no guessing game or anything like that. You also have your instruction manual, of course. It was really easy to put together. It took Shuggy maybe 20 minutes tops. It is basically already put together. You just kind of unfold it. Like I said, it is folding. Oh, that's another good thing for storage, friends of the twins. But you just basically unfold it, and then you will need to add the handlebar, the seat, as well as your foot pedals, and you are ready to go. It comes fully charged. It also comes with a charger for your recharging. You look at this and you say, now what is a couple in their 50s going to do with an e-bike? Well, we plan to do a lot. Shonda and Boo Daddy also have e-bikes. These are perfect for the four of us to head off to the park for a nice ride on a Sunday. Also, if you have an RV and you're into the RV living, they are perfect because they store compactly. You don't need a lot of space to store them. And then once you get to your resort where you're going to be staying with your RV, easily you can pull them out and ride throughout the park. I know for us, we have a long driveway. I can easily hop on it and head on up to the mailbox and back. Y'all know that Shonda lives, we were about 2 minutes apart. I can easily ride to her house, and she and Boo Daddy have already ridden to my house on their e-bikes. So now it is our turn to ride to her house. There's just so much that you can do, and y'all would not believe how much fun Shuggy is having. Now, you know that we have a golf cart. Y'all have seen my golf cart here. And what I've noticed is that Shuggy is going and grabbing his new e-bike before he grabs the golf cart as we go around the yard here. They would also be perfect to take on a camping trip. I know for us, having these e-bikes is just one more thing that brings us together, and it's something that we can do together. Like I said, we are empty nesters and we are having fun. They're already having Black Friday sales now when you visit the website, and this e-bike itself is going to be on sale between November 5th to December 2nd using our special discount code. I will have the discount code as well as a link to the website down in the description box below. Go over and check it out, friends. You deserve it. You deserve to have a little bit of fun. So the kids are coming, and they are coming soon. It is full on Christmas mode here at Rhonda's house. Yep, I am working steadily to try to get the entire house decorated for Christmas before the kids get here on Monday. So I have about 6 days left. I'm going to be sharing with you the entryway decor today. I've gotten that done, and I've actually moved on into the living room, and I've also begun in the breakfast area, so stay on the lookout. I'm going to be having sharing lots of Christmas decorating videos here in the next couple of days. And I might start with one initial idea and end up with something totally different. And I definitely do that from time to time. I'll start with one idea in my head, and what I end up with is something totally different. You're actually going to see me do that in this video. Friends, I'm going to stop talking. I hope that you all are having a fabulous evening. As always, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Please leave a light on for Christmas, for all who spend it on their own. Please leave a light on for Christmas, and maybe one so lost can finally find a home. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe all the firing will cease. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe this whole world can finally be at peace. I believe we can, if we just believe we can. And I believe we must find a way to build some trust. And you know I'm sure, if we just walk through that door, we could have all we're asking for and more.
I wanted to pop back in and share with y'all what I'm using to decorate with here around the house this year. These are actually chair sashes, and I ordered these from Amazon. I got a whole bunch of them for not a whole lot of money, you know, for the amount that I got. I want to say I have 25, 30 sashes. I'm going to leave them linked down in the description box for you. I do not intend on buying a lot for Christmas decor this year. I just want to kind of add to what I had. Now, my color combination was red, and so I wanted to kind of transition to black and white, and I found that this is a easy way for me to do it, and it'll save me in my pocketbook. So I hope that it'll be motivation or inspiration to some of you. The sashes do come in a lot of different colors, so like I said, I will leave them linked for you down in the description box. Thanks again for watching.